Take it.
Took a video already? Yeah, I'm taking video.
Hello, YouTubers. It's Rami and
Kareem.
We're gonna do the Coke challenge. We're gonna shake it hard, as you can see. It's right behind us. Okay, so we're gonna hit it. So shake, 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 shake it.
Sing the music. Shake, 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 shake.
Wait, okay, where'd I hit it?
Throw it on the ground.
No,
Near the curve. Near the curve. Near the curve.
here. Okay, now.
Okay.
No, save him there.
Okay.
Ready, set, and.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
No.
That's it.
Turn, you hit it once. And I take a camera.
Okay, take a camera.
I don't hit it. You hit it. This is another of these. Dude, it's so fake. Okay, on to my turn, right? My turn. Here. I got camera.
More what?
Hit it. Ready? Set. No, wait.
Do you see that, guys?
Do you have another one?
It's all damage. It's all damage. Do you see that, guys? It's all
Hit
damage.
it one more time, even though it's not gonna happen.
Do you see it?
I'm gonna even jump on it. Jump on it.
See, guys? Hold the camera. I'll stop it. See the guys? This is what's the Coke. This is what's the Coke. That's Coke exploded.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
And subscribe.
Or like. Bye.
Okay, good.
Let's go put it in.
Hey, you stop it.